everybody, and welcome to another Joe Elevator Man production. This episode, we're saying why my Dr. Nick impression sounds so retarded. Not really. But some of the animals in Minecraft get retarded. Let's see the tennis match. If it will let me. Imagine if this is world and world fell to the bottom of the universe. And then it bounced back up again and in its orbit again. Imagine that. I know my Dr. Nick's impression sounds a bit retarded, but it's the best Dr. Nick impression I can do. Rather than this, that doesn't even sound like Dr. Nick. It sounds like an even more retarded. It sounds like an impression of a retarded man. Let's see. I'm gonna do a racket bounce. Whee! Fail. Gonna do a racket bounce. I'm just gonna put some blocks below me and do the pretend Minecraft game video. Okay, now about Y75. So we need to get a bit higher. Y100 million, that is. There we go. Boy fell. Boy died. It hit the ground too hard. Let's pass it in to the bin. Up. Oh my god, I missed. Jumped the gun there, didn't I? Moonwalk! I invented the moonwalk for Michael Jackson to copy. Not really. Bad body. Do.
You've going down, you've turning around, you've going up, down, lift breaking down forever.
This is a ball, and this is a bat. Slow motion. That's the end of that. Of course, they sped up version at the end. And looks like the match is about to begin. Callum versus his dad, and Callum's friend versus another guy, Kyle. Let's see. Who will win? Well, I do my famous moonwalk. Also inventing it to hee. Michael Jackson to copy. Not really. Well, it's not a match, sir. But there's a match.
I've got square fingers. I'm a Minecraft man. I'm a skeleton.
Not really. I only had foam Minecraft stuff so I could pretend I'm playing Minecraft. But they cost so much. Foam sword is like $24.99 in HMV. And that's probably the best price you can get for that. Actually looking for the camera. No, so we can't get a good video of this. Let's skip straight to nothing. Let's warm up again. Hip spinning around. Get out of my way. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Make a baby right round, round. Oh my god, I'm doing it. Wow. A couple of minutes later. So I had to click on the battery warnings. Now let's see. Let's play Drinkers. I knocked over the Drinker. And that's it. Bye, everybody.